Welcome back to my channel Luxury Drive Car, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Invicto, Maruti's latest foray into the premium MPV segment. This vehicle promises to blend luxury, performance, and practicality, catering to both families and automotive enthusiasts. Let's delve into what makes the Invicto a noteworthy contender in its class. Exterior design. The Maruti Suzuki Invicto boasts a commanding presence on the road. Its front fascia is dominated by a substantial hexagonal grille, accentuated by thick chrome strips that converge at the prominent Suzuki emblem. This design choice imparts a sense of luxury and modernity. The sleek LED headlamps seamlessly integrate with the grille, enhancing the vehicle's cohesive look. Chrome accents trace the shoulder lines and underscore the rear windshield, adding to its premium appeal. The overall design is both contemporary and sophisticated, ensuring the Invicto stands out in any setting. Interior comfort and features. Stepping inside, the Invicto offers a spacious and well-appointed cabin. Depending on the variant, it accommodates either 7 or 8 passengers, with configurations that include comfortable captain seats or a practical bench setup. The interior is adorned with rich black upholstery complemented by champagne-colored inserts, exuding an air of elegance. However, it's worth noting that some plastic components may not match the overall premium feel. The lower floor design, courtesy of the TNGA monocoque platform, facilitates easy ingress and egress, enhancing passenger convenience. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Invicto is powered by a 2.0-liter petrol-hybrid engine paired with a CVT transmission. This powertrain delivers a commendable 186 PS at 6,600 revolutions per minute and a peak torque of 206 Nm between 4,400 to 5,200 revolutions per minute. The hybrid system not only ensures robust performance but also contributes to impressive fuel efficiency, with an ARI-certified mileage of 23.24 km/L. This makes the Invicto a compelling choice for those seeking both power and economy in their daily drives. Dimensions and practicality. The Invicto measures 4,755 mm in length, 1,850 mm in width, and 1,795 mm in height, with a wheelbase of 2,850 mm. These dimensions translate to ample interior space, providing generous legroom and headroom for all occupants. The vehicle offers a boot space of 239 liters, which can be expanded by folding the rear seats, accommodating larger luggage when needed. A ground clearance of 185 mm ensures the Invicto can navigate various road conditions with ease. Technology and infotainment. The Invicto is equipped with a 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, ensuring seamless smartphone integration. The system is user-friendly, with intuitive menus and responsive touch controls. Additionally, the vehicle features a digital instrument cluster that provides essential driving information at a glance. Other notable tech features include a panoramic sunroof with ambient lighting, ventilated front seats, and a 360-degree camera system that aids in parking and maneuvering in tight spaces. Safety features. Safety is a paramount concern in the Invicto. The vehicle comes standard with 6 airbags, ensuring comprehensive protection for all passengers. Advanced safety systems such as electronic stability program, ESP, traction control, and hill start assist enhance driving confidence across various terrains. The inclusion of a tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, allows drivers to monitor tire conditions in real time, preventing potential issues before they escalate. Front and rear parking sensors, along with the 360-degree camera, provide added assurance during parking maneuvers. Driving experience. On the road, the Invicto offers a balanced driving experience. The hybrid powertrain provides smooth acceleration, and the CVT ensures seamless gear transitions. The suspension system, featuring McPherson struts at the front and a torsion beam at the rear, effectively absorbs road imperfections, delivering a comfortable ride. The electric power steering is responsive, making city driving and highway cruising equally enjoyable. The vehicle's sound insulation is commendable, minimizing road and wind noise to maintain a serene cabin environment. Fuel efficiency. One of the standout features of the Invicto is its fuel efficiency. The hybrid system intelligently switches between the petrol engine and electric motor to optimize fuel consumption. In urban settings, the vehicle can operate solely on electric power for short distances, reducing fuel usage and emissions. On highways, the petrol engine takes precedence, providing the necessary power for sustained speeds. This dynamic interplay ensures that drivers benefit from reduced fuel costs without compromising on performance. Variants and pricing. The Maruti Suzuki Invicto is available in multiple variants to cater to diverse customer preferences. The base variant, Zeta Plus 2.0 liters strong hybrid 7-seater at CVT, is priced at a superscript 125.21 lakh, while the top-tier Alpha Plus 2 liters strong hybrid 7-seater at CVT comes in at a superscript 128.92 lakh. Each variant offers a distinct set of features, allowing buyers to choose a model that best aligns with their needs and budget. Competitors. In the premium MPV segment, the Invicto faces competition from models like the Toyota Innova Hycross and the Kia Carens. While the Innova Hycross offers a robust build and a reputation for reliability, the Invicto distinguishes itself with its hybrid technology and modern design. The Kia Carens, on the other hand, is known for its value proposition, but the Invicto's premium features and fuel efficiency provide a compelling alternative for discerning buyers. Final thoughts. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki Invicto represents a significant step for Maruti into the premium segment. It successfully combines a spacious and luxurious interior with advanced hybrid technology, offering a vehicle that is both practical and economical. While there are minor areas for improvement, such as the quality of certain interior materials, the overall package is impressive. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki Invicto's rear design exudes elegance and modernity, aligning with its premium MPV status. The wide, sculpted tailgate is accentuated by sleek LED taillights that stretch horizontally, giving the vehicle a bold and upscale look. A chrome strip connects the taillights, adding a touch of sophistication while enhancing the vehicle's width perception. The high-mounted stop lamp is neatly integrated into the roof spoiler, improving visibility and safety. The bumper design is well proportioned, featuring subtle black cladding for a rugged appeal. Reflectors are positioned at the lower ends, ensuring better visibility in low light conditions. The rear windshield is generously sized, offering excellent rearward visibility, and comes equipped with a defogger and a wiper for added convenience. The Invicto's rear also includes a smart electric tailgate in higher variants, allowing hands-free operation for easier access to the spacious 239-liter boot. The overall stance of the Invicto's backside is muscular yet refined, with clean lines and minimalistic badging. The Maruti Suzuki logo is prominently placed at the center, with the Invicto branding below it, signifying its exclusivity in the lineup. The design ensures a balanced mix of aesthetics, practicality, and premium appeal, making the Invicto a strong contender in its segment. Please subscribe to my channel and share with like. Please subscribe.